Hello guys, why do I have these? Well, we're going to talk about that today in Ralph Johnson Photography. Guys, these are the DJI ND filters for a Mavic. Well, why do I have them? Well, simple. I got a Mavic. I'll show you that in a minute. But first we're going to unbox these. First we're going to unbox these and see what they look like. The reason why I got these is very simple. Okay? ND filters are like sunglasses for your camera. In this case, it's the camera on the drone. Why do I need them? Well, today I don't really, because of just how cloudy it is behind me and stuff. But on sunny days and stuff, I'll need these. So I'm going to unbox these real quick and look at them. I just got them from Schiller's Camera. So I'm going to go ahead and just pull them out and hopefully not ruin the box, because I kind of want to keep them in there. Nope. We got instructions. There we go. Okay. They come in a nice foam case. I thought it was actually tighter than what it was. So, it says DJI on them, so they're officially licensed. And I got 3 of them right in here. Looks like I have these are kind of like little flimsy and stuff like that. But I see how they're designed. I kind of wish they would have went over the entire end of the camera itself on the quadcopter. But let's put one on real quick, see how they look. Just open this up and put one of these on. We'll see how they work. First time doing this too, guys. Let's see. And they just clip on the end, right? There's a little lip on it and everything, and it just clips right on the end. And then it looks like that. So, I assume they're just as easy to take off. So, assume. Actually, they're a bit harder to take off. There we go, yeah. They're not too hard. Once you get used to it, you'll know how to do it and stuff like that. So, overall quality of these, they look kind of, well, the outside ring is plastic, so the quality is not there. I didn't pay too much for these either, so I wasn't expecting perfect quality and stuff like that. But for getting started and seeing if I really like the drone footage, which I'm sure I will, just I wanted to go a cheaper route right now and see actual DJI's branded one, see how well they work. And I'll be trying them in a later episode and stuff like that, you know, when I actually have sun outside, so I can actually use it. Anyways, I just wanted to come to you guys real quick with the new content, the new ND filters that I got. I wish one of them would have been a polarizer, but then again, it had to be a circular polarizer, and I'd have to adjust it, and I can't do that up in the air because it doesn't do that. So anyways, that's all I got for you this week, guys. So if you like this video, great, I appreciate it. If not, I'm terribly sorry. There'll be another one next week that you'll probably like. And so we're going to go ahead and end this video now. Hit like if you like. If you want to subscribe, great, I appreciate it. All the guys that subscribe, I really appreciate everything that you guys subscribe to. So anyways, until next week, peace out, bye.